Gardening is one of the healthiest hobbies you can develop. Keep watching to learn about the many benefits of gardening for you and your community. 1. Outdoor gardening can help your body fight disease. You're more like a plant than you may realize. Your body is capable of photosynthesis, the process where plants make their own food using sunlight. Your skin uses sunlight to make one of the nutrients you need, vitamin D. Researchers estimate that a half hour in the sun can produce between 8,000 and 50,000 international units of vitamin D in your body, depending on how much your clothes cover and the color of your skin. Vitamin D is essential for literally hundreds of body functions. Strengthening your bones and your immune system are just two of them. 2. Gardening builds strength, promotes sleep, and helps you maintain a healthy weight. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention says gardening is exercise. Activities like raking and cutting grass might fall under the category of light to moderate exercise, while shoveling, digging, and chopping wood might be considered vigorous exercise. Either way, working in a garden uses every major muscle group in the body. This fact won't surprise anyone who's woken up sore after a day of yard work. Studies have found that the physical exertion of working in a garden may help offset both age-related weight gain and childhood obesity. And researchers at the University of Pennsylvania reported that people who garden are more likely to get a solid 7 hours of sleep at night. 3. Gardening can help protect your memory as you get older. Doctors have also known for some time that exercise improves cognitive functioning in the brain. There's some debate about whether gardening on its own is enough to affect cognitive skills like memory. But new evidence shows that gardening activities may spur growth in your brain's memory-related nerves. In fact, in the Netherlands and Norway, people with dementia often participate in groundbreaking green care programs, where they spend a large part of the day working on farms and in gardens. 4. Gardening is a mood booster. Studies in the United States and abroad have found that gardening improves your mood and increases your self-esteem. When people spend time in a garden, their anxiety levels drop and they feel less depressed. 5. Gardening is an effective tool if you're recovering from addiction. Horticulture therapy has been around for millennia, so it probably won't surprise you to learn that working with plants is part of many addiction recovery programs. In one study, researchers noted that plants provoked positive feelings in people recovering from alcohol addiction and were an effective rehab tool. In another study, people in an addiction rehabilitation program were given an opportunity to participate in natural recovery, where they were allowed to choose either art or gardening as their natural therapy. People who chose gardening completed the rehab program at a higher rate and reported a more satisfying experience than those who chose art. Whether your patch is large or small, a raised bed, community garden, or window box, getting dirty and eating clean is good for you.